Hi everyone. I'm still wondering why people still have to pay photographers, renting cameras, even booking apartments. Some even goes to the extent of paying a model to record content for their marketing videos to promote their business. Why you have the Google Veo 3, ChatGPT, CapCut, and also Canva at your disposal without even breaking a bank. The next video I will be showing you right now, you will see I create a model, a realistic model in a very high quality cinematic video to promote a business. And also after that, I'll teach you how to go about that, how to create it from the very first step till you have your complete video.
Hey, I'm Tolu, fashion lover, model, and your personal plug here at Toria Collection. This isn't just a store, it's your new style sanctuary. Here at Toria Collection, every outfit tells a story, your story. Whether it's bold Ankara, soft chiffon, or street smart fits. Now let's talk steps, Rayo. Because every power move deserves a powerful pair. You know what they say, Dag? Secure the bag, then carry it with pride. From chic clutches to everyday sleigh totes. At Toria Collection, it's not just shopping, it's a whole transformation. We'll help you style it, match it, and own it. So why wait? Step into Toria Collection today.
Welcome back. You see that lady in the video is not actually a real human being. She's just a prompt. She's realistic though. So this is exactly what I'm going to teach you right now. You can see no camera, no studio equipment, no rental apartment, just your creativity and also some prompt, the way you can explain what exactly you have in your head or maybe you have in your mind. That's just what you need. If you're seeing my face for the first time or just coming across my content for the first time, my name is Tom Adebayo and this is Tom Insights All. I'll be sharing tips and how to use most of these AI tools to grow and promote your business. And also, if you're that person that just want to generate additional income into your pocket, please subscribe to this channel and see more of my content. Alright, we'll be starting with ChatGPT. The very first step is just, you already know your idea. For example, I'll be using a clothing brand. For example, I sell wares and maybe jewelries. So now, for me, I have to just log into my ChatGPT to create what exactly the prompt I'll be needing. So now, you click on this is you create a new chat on ChatGPT. I already have a lot of things that I'm doing with my ChatGPT, but you being the first time, you might see this side being blank. So you click on new chat. So when you click on new chat, this is what it's actually going to bring to you. So now I'll write create a prompt for a clothing brand. Please include, the way you can be able to express your thought matters a lot. And this is exactly what ChatGPT is actually going to help you explain whatever you want. Don't just pour out your thoughts. So please include what she will say in the prompt. Script. So now I think I made some mistakes in the right. So now I'll send it to. You see what it says? A confident visual description prompt for image or video generation. A confident, stylish African lady in her early 20s with caramel skin, wearing a modern, vibrant two-piece outfit that mixes traditional African patterns with urban chic fashion. She has hope earring, blah blah blah. She stands up. The story is well lit. So now, that is what you are going to. This is what exactly. This is exactly what we're going to impute into. This description now. We have our avatar, which is Tolu. And we already discussed how she looks exactly. And this is what we're going to be repeating in each one of those things so we can have a consistent face to use. So let's go. Now, the next thing is to just go on to Google Veo 3. Now, so immediately you click on Veo 3 and search it on Google. The first option that it brings is what you're actually going to click on. You click on this and it takes you to this page. It actually asks you try Gemini or try Inflow. So you have to click on try Inflow. So now you can see create with flow. Yes, you proceed with creating with flow. So now I'm just for this for the record, I don't have a flow account before, so now I just have to sign in with my Google account, and you can also do that. You can just click on accept, and you might not want to get marketing videos and whatever. So I'll just have to read this all through, then click on continue. So here also they want you to go on and read this to the very end, then click on get started. So to go about this, to start using, for you to be able to use this, you have to subscribe. So now this is where it is. When you subscribe, you're required to pay. I think they charge 20,000 naira thereabout. But you will have the first month as free. Then you start paying from the subsequent month. But before that time, you can actually cancel your subscription. Then I'll click on subscribe. So you can see it's 28,500, but for the first month, it's 0 naira. You have to put in your card details so they can be able to charge from your account. So now, okay. You see, I have a card already, but it's expired, so I have to put in another card. So now you can see I already updated my payment and my card. So now I can click on subscribe. Say subscribed. So I will have access to, then click on go back to flow. Then we'll be able to create a new project. So now you can see here we have a text to video. When you click on here, we have text to video, frames to video, and ingredient to video. On here, we have text to video from what we just want to do now. That's the text to video. The frames to video is maybe you have a picture and you want to convert it to a video. No. But for this, for the course of this video, we'll be using text to video. And this is the sometimes the audio will not be generating VO3 clips. We're working on improving that. So now, what I need to do is just go on and copy my my prompt. Then I'll put this in there. I think I should be able to change. Here, I just have to put one. I don't need output per prompt because one output is actually going to charge you 20 credits. But if you put in 2 credits, two outputs is actually going to charge you 40. That's times 2. So it's to create variation. So I don't need to prompt. So I don't add the VO3 fast. I just want better so that I can have. Oh, that's too much. That's 100 credits. You see, subscribing will give you one. Subscribing to VO3 will allow you to have access to 1,000 points. They'll give you 1,000 credits for free. So we have to use that wisely. So now I'm not going to use 100 credits to generate that video. I can better audio. Yes, exactly. So that's what I want. Then I will generate video. So here we go. You can see. Let me play what is being generated. This makes sense. So all I have to do now is just make sure I download this. So now I have this ready. Then here, upscale. When you say animated, you can see animated GIF. We have original size and also upscale. You can see the pixels, and that's talking about the quality. So for the purpose of this video, we want quality videos. Then we are going to click on upscale video. Can you see how this person looks like a real person? And as I said earlier, you don't need European no models, lighting, booking an apartment just to create a high quality video for your brand. So now let's just wait because it's actually gonna download this video now, and this is how you are going to create each and every one of those scenes. We have about 6 scenes in this video, so we are going to. So I'm not going to take time. We'll take much of our time. I'll just create every one of them like this, and then move to CapCut to mix the video. All right, I was about just pasting the second scene in here, but Here it's inside a brightly lit boutique, the same African lady. Instead of using the same African lady, then we have to go back and copy out what the lady looks like. The same African lady now wears. So I'll go to the very first scene, the confident. Now I have to go. You can see instead of using the same African lady, then I will send it. I'll send you out. So now that we're fully generated, the six cents now you can see each and every one of them as it's been written by ChatGPT. So you might be thinking why the reason why I'm upscaling the videos. I just have to make sure it's in top quality. I didn't mention that already. So when you click on upscaling the video, it doesn't download directly. So it's just you can see upscaling your video. So and you have to wait for a second, for seconds. And after it's done upscaling your video, then you'll be able to download it right away. So now I'm able to download the videos. You can see from my download list of download, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars, 6 cents. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to just go into CapCut. Yes, that's where you will be able to edit those videos. If you don't, I only use CapCut for my editing, or you might decide to use Adobe Premiere or whatever, InShot or whatever you're comfortable with. But for the sake of this video, I'll be using CapCut. So now I'll click on Create a Project. So here is the project, and we have to upload those files from here to here. I will mark it, then click on. So it brings each and every one of them into the frame. So then what I'm gonna do is to just drag. This is CapCut. You drag each and every one of them to this frame. So the very first one, this is the very first one. You drag it here. The second one, you move it next to the first one. It's loading. Give it a sec. Okay. So then I'll add the second one also. I'll add it next to this. Then this next to it. I think this is the fourth one, the fifth, and I think this is the last. So now if you click on play,
I'm telling you, fashion love plato. At Tory Collection, it's not just shopping, it's a whole transformation. We'll help you style it, match it, and own it. So why wait? Step into Tory Collection today.
so that's about that. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can actually drop under the comments, and I'll be happy to navigate to walk you through whichever problem you're having. So after doing this, the next thing to do is to export, and here is where you'll be able to export what you've done. So now I will rename it tutorial collections. Then I can choose where to. Okay, I'll put it inside of videos. Yes, I think this is. Then the quality, you have to select the quality of the video you're sent. So I think 4K is the highest. So you can, if you it's actually gonna affect the file size. So you might want to choose lower one, but for the purpose of this video, I'll select 4K. Then export. So now exporting is, so you can see now it's 80 megabytes. About that, my system, my computer now, and the total duration of the video is 48 seconds. So it's another ad. Very simple. Once this completes downloading, you will get it inside of your computer. Now that you've seen it, no studio, no stress, no extra payment to models and actors, just ChatGPT, CapCut, and Google Veo 3. Not that I only showed you how to do this thing, I give you the blueprint. And maybe you need the prompts back, or you need more coaching on how to write your prompt to give you the exact what you want. You can actually reach out to me or send me a message or comment on this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share to all the business owners that you think might need this. All Insight Hub is here to help you grow your business. Have a nice day. Bye bye.